Welcome to this impeccably maintained 5,274 square foot home in the wonderfully private Indian Creek development just north of Florissant. 6 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, parking for 4 cars on over 4 treed acres. This gorgeous home had countless upgrades when it was built by the current owners in 2004, including dark hardwood floors throughout the main level. Gourmet kitchen features high-end stainless steel appliances, solid surface countertops, plenty of natural light, views of Pikes Peak and Crystal Peak. This home is the perfect option if you're looking for an extremely well-constructed and cared-for home that gives you privacy, views, and space to spread out. No expense was spared in the construction of this home, just minutes north of US 24 in Florissant, Colorado. The huge Redwood deck spans the rear of the house, the perfect spot for entertaining guests or just enjoying the late afternoon Colorado sunshine. Come see for yourself. You won't be disappointed.